Lenovo has made a comeback after a long time. Lenovo launches a new phone in the new category named Gaming category. The new Lenovo phone is Lenovo Legion and Lenovo Legion Pro. Let's start it with the box content and talk about everything. In box you get a phone, paperwork, charge and USB cable. Talk about phone design. In front it have flat display with pop-up camera that placed where actually power button exists, and it looks weird. At back you get two rear camera that placed at the center of the phone. The display size of Lenovo Legion is 6.65 inch with OLED display panel. The Lenovo have high refresh rate that are 144 Hz screen refresh rate, and it have also screen fingerprint. In camera, the front camera placed right middle of the frame, and that a pop-up camera with 2 MP. At back there is dual rear camera, full flat without protrusion, where primary camera is 64 megapixel plus 16 megapixel ultra wide angle. See some shot taken by Lenovo Legion. Lenovo Legion have big battery capacity of 5000 mAh dual cell solution and 90 W fast charge with 2 Type-C ports, the single port maximum 45 WL. Lenovo Legion have PD protocol standard. USB 3.1 data cable, 10 Gbps transmission rate, support BP screen projection. The sum of specifications that make Lenovo Legion perfect that are 14 temperature sensors, dual speakers with positive output 1.4 cc*, 2 large sound cavity, dual X-axis linear motors plus dual ultrasonic buttons. Lenovo Legion is first smartphones in industry that comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 plus main frequency 3.01 GHz, supports dual mode 5G, it have Wi-Fi 6, LPDDR5 plus OX 3.1, and the first gaming phone to support NFC. Lenovo Severe Gaming Phone Pro officially price are. For 8GB, 128GB price is 3,499 yen, with 45W charger. For 12GB, 128GB price is 3,899 yen, with 45W charger. For 12GB, 256GB price 4,199 yen, with 65W dual port charger. For 16GB, 512GB price 5,999 yen, with 90W dual port charger. Till then bye, see you in next one. This is Yash and you watching the YR.